Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to send large files on Discord. So guys, at first go to your browser and search WeTransfer.com. Tap on send a file. Now tap on upload files. Now select your file and then tap on next. Now select get a link. Tap on get a link. Now you have to copy the link from here. And guys, let me tell you something that this link expires in 1 week. So now go back and go to your Discord. Paste the link here and send it. So guys, that's it. That's how you can send large files on Discord very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.